Well, I think that's a loaded question, whether or not we can all unite. And I'm going to say that it's yes and no. We can absolutely unite on certain key issues, such as the no Nazis in Valhalla, no Nazis in heathenry. Keep your racist ideals away. But when it comes right down to it, heathenry is a tribalistic faith. And so I believe that every kindred is going to be different and have their own set of ideals and beliefs. So while we may ally ourselves together and we may have a similar core, I don't think that we'll ever 100% agree on everything and unite on everything. Now, for the 501c3 that we're starting, the Association of American Heathen Halls, that's going to be a conglomeration, a combine of heathen halls. So while, yeah, we'll all be under one umbrella organization, under one banner, each kindred will be autonomous and individual. And as such, they'll be their own thing. But by being under that one banner, we'll all have each other's backs and be there for each other. So in a way, yeah, we'll be united. But I don't think we're going to ever have 100% unity.